How's everybody? This is the second video to the first video that I just did for orientation and for a discussion board. In the orientation packet, we just want to kind of discuss that really quickly. There's a lot of information in there, and before you guys do start the course, make sure that you view the orientation information, because in there lets you know how the courses go, and it also lets you know what you should do first before you actually start the course. Just make sure that you print, view, however you want to do it. I do have it in here, I believe, where you can download it. If you can't, just open it, and read it as you go, just to give you insight on how the courses go. Also, don't forget to purchase the books. Whichever course you're taking, you're going to need a book with that. The books are in the orientation guide, letting you know that. So print everything in there that's printable that you do need. Also, for the quiz are also in there. They're going to be in the back of the book, and there's other quiz in there. So just be precarious of that. The other courses that's there, once you finish the medical terminology course, you can move on to the next course, depending on what you're taking. If you're taking your CPC and you need every single course, just take it one day at a time for every single course. You can go on discussion board and send me a message about a question that you have for the course that you're taking. So that's pretty much it on that part. I'm going to come back at you in a couple of days for a much longer discussion about orientation. But make sure you go through the videos that's on YouTube, because there's a lot of medical terminology in there, a lot of CPC information from the beginning of the course. Now we're not going to be doing all that, because now we got the new course in session. Remember I said we were creating a new course. The new course is open. So all the discussions that we were discussing on YouTube is still there, but you won't get in-depth discussion like that. All that stuff is in the classroom. So it's almost 5 o'clock. At 5 o'clock, I'm going to go into the classroom so you guys can see what's going on in there. I'm going to be in it. If you send me something in the discussion board, just go ahead and send it to me, and I'll reply to you back immediately. Okay?